Hello, this is Adam, the car seat tech with infant, toddler, youth, and the pump station and nursery. And in this video, we're going to show you how to install the Britax B Safe 35 base using the lap and shoulder belt. Remember, before you install the car seat, always read the manual so that way you know exactly how your car seat will work in your specific vehicle. One installation is not the same in every car. Let's begin. So first thing you're going to do is you're going to make sure that your car is parked on a flat surface. It needs to be flat so that way we have an accurate reading on the recline position of the base. There are two rules we have to follow. Number one, making sure the car seat is tight enough. And number two, making sure baby is at the right position. On both sides of the car seat, there is a window with a red bar and two silver arrows. What the Britax manual tells you to do is to make sure the red bar is in between the two silver arrows. And depending on your vehicle seat, some may be deeper than others, so you may need to adjust it accordingly. If you do need to adjust the recline, what you're going to do is on the front of the base here, there's a red button. And if you squeeze the button, you're able to change the angle of the Britax base. And there's about 2 or 3 different positions you can choose from, depending on your vehicle seat. In my car, my seats are a bit deeper, so I'm going to have mine at the most reclined. Now that I have my angle at the right position, the red bar is between the two silver arrows. I'm going to make sure that the base is flat on the vehicle seat and all the way up against the vehicle seat. I'm going to grab my seatbelt. I'm going to feed the seatbelt under the handlebars of the base. So under one side, over the middle, under the other side. Make sure your seatbelt is not twisted or tangled. We buckle in. There we go. Once we have our seatbelt buckled in, we can begin to tighten. I'm going to push down on the car seat. And as I'm pushing down on the car seat, I'm going to grab the shoulder belt and pull it away from the seatbelt buckle. As I'm pulling on it, I'm going to slowly push down on the base and just slowly rock it from side to side. When you do that, you're pretty much pushing the car seat into the vehicle seat and getting it nice and snug. Once you feel like the seatbelt is tight enough, we need to lock it in place. There is a red lock-off device underneath each of the handlebars, and that's for the shoulder belt to slide right into. And you're only going to use one side. You're going to use the side that is closest to where the shoulder belt is. So the buckle side is going to stay vacant. Nothing is going in there. We're only using the shoulder belt side. So I'm going to get it nice and tight. I'm going to slide the seatbelt in. That's going to lock it in place. The way to know this is tight enough is with one hand, grab it from either side of the handlebar, and make sure the car seat doesn't move more than an inch in either direction. This is the only place you should be checking it from. Don't check it from the back. This part is still going to have some movement. It's going to have some loose weight. It'll go up and down, side to side. This is where crash force is released from. So that part is going to move no matter what you do, and that's okay. Only test it from the handlebars. When you're ready to release the base from your vehicle, you're going to unbuckle the seatbelt first, slide the shoulder belt out, and now we can remove our base. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to follow, like, and subscribe to support the channel. We'll see you next time.